From the initial design phase to the actual construction process and ongoing maintenance, AI tools are proving their worth. AI-powered software can now generate optimized designs for underwater structures, taking into account factors like water pressure, currents, and material properties.
During the construction phase, autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, equipped with AI algorithms can perform tasks such as surveying the seabed, inspecting pipelines, and even placing concrete with high precision. These AI-driven solutions reduce the need for human divers in hazardous environments, significantly improving safety standards in the industry.
Section 4. Examples of AI tools in marine construction. One notable example of an AI tool used in underwater construction is the Smart Helmet. This helmet, worn by human divers, provides real-time data analysis and guidance from AI algorithms. It can alert divers to potential hazards, monitor their vital signs, and even assist with navigation in murky waters. Another example is the use of AI-powered robotic arms for complex underwater welding tasks. These robotic arms, controlled by sophisticated algorithms, can perform delicate welding operations with greater precision and speed than human welders, leading to stronger and more reliable underwater structures.
Section 5. The future of AI in underwater construction. The future of AI in underwater construction is brimming with possibilities. With each passing day, new advancements are being made that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge. These advancements will not only enhance efficiency, but also open up new avenues for exploration and development. Imagine swarms of autonomous underwater robots working collaboratively to build complex structures on the ocean floor, seamlessly communicating and coordinating with each other to achieve precision and speed. Or AI systems capable of predicting and mitigating the impact of underwater earthquakes on marine infrastructure, ensuring the safety and longevity of these underwater projects. The integration of AI with other emerging technologies like three-dimensional printing is another exciting frontier. Advanced materials science holds immense potential for revolutionizing underwater construction, making it more adaptable and resilient. As we delve deeper into the oceans, AI will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of this field, enabling us to explore and construct in ways previously unimaginable. Making underwater construction safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for generations to come. The future is bright, and AI is at the helm of this underwater revolution.